Hello, viewers and subscribers world over. How are you doing? Too much seriousness is not good all the time. Some of the times we should discuss other things that gladdens the heart. It is not every day we talk about stories that hurt our feelings. All work and no play make Jack a dull boy. So today we will be looking at something that you will also like to share while you pass time with others. Yeah. Have you heard about someone being called Kilauea Nwachukwu mockingly? No, when they call people Kilauea Nwachukwu, are you Kilauea Nwachukwu? It normally happens when he is seen as showing physical powers and wanting to intimidate others. Some of the times too, someone is called such when he continues fuming, maybe before, after a fact, acting as if he wants to have more. Are you Kilauea Nwachukwu? Ewo Kilauea Nwachukwu. Meanwhile, how did we come by the name Kilauea Nwachukwu? Was that pulled from a folklore? Not at all. The name is real and belongs to a revered Igbo super fighter who reigned for some time. He was so strong that anytime someone is trying to arrogantly show some form of strength, power, and dominance against another in a physical fight or combat, he is referred to as Kilauea Nwachukwu.
Ya bịa dụọ ndị mmadụ na ahịrị kwụrụ sọsọ ya sọ ha dụọ ya ndị ahụ dọga ha ada ọ ga-ada ka nweghị ugbu a ihe wụ otu aha siri bịa. O nwere onye gbagara bọị onye kalagbarị Kilauea azaa ime ụlọ ha bi fee ya mmiri efesa na bedi feta na akpa nwaanyị na-edina ya na di ya na-edina nwaanyị ahụ iwe ewewe ya oge nna ya ukwu lụrụ ya kọrọ nna ya ukwu akpọbata Kilauea n'ụlọ ya. Nna ya ukwu ewere ọtalị pịama ya. Kilauea gbazie nwoke ahụ kpada ya n'ala. Nwaanyị abịazie bịa kuo ya n'ukwu ya were ụkwụ maa ya. Nwaanyị adaa tie gbawa nebo ndị nebo nakwa ebe ahụ unade this boy don't kill you also, you don't kill me and my husband. Ya gbapụga oge ọ na-akwazi trọk na-aga na town, ndị mmadụ ndị mara na ihe gbasara ihe ahụ mere ha zakpa Kilauea kill me and kill my wife, kill me Kilauea. Ịza kpọzie ya Kilauea ya welere gị aka elu taa.
Ewu ndị si na ọwụ agbara nyere ya ike. O nwere nwaanyị o mitere n'ụzọ, nwaanyị ahụ asị ya butere ya ibu ya yọwa ya biko na o jighị ego. Mpamasị ya oke nsogbu adịghị. O meburuzere de nwaanyị ibu ya burugidere ya buruzere ebe the woman na-aga and ọwụ ebe n'akụkụ mmiri onye ndị mmadụ si na ọwụ agbara nyere ya ike. Nwaanyị ahụ akelechaa ya si ebe ọ na-anaghị ego na ọ bịa ka ọ gọzie ya gọzizie si ya na ọwụ n'ike a ka ọ ga-eji eri nne na ya ka ndị mmadụ ga-eji wee mara ya. Ya gọzicha mpam gọzie mpam alawazie ya wụ n'ugwu ka ọ rịga trọk ahụ ike agwụwa ya ya buruzie the trọk n'isi buru ya lawa. So people are just surprised the truck wee nye na anyị so ha be ndị mmadụ asị ya kama ọ ga na-akwadezi ele eji buru ya n'isi lọtawa.
Ọ ga-anọ n'ala taa ọdọ ya simenti bụkwasa ya n'afọ ise ọ gaghị ada. O nwere ike bịa ugbu a bịa buru vọs wee ji bito bulie m onye nọ n'ime ya. Kilauea nne m mere ya.
Ya ndị mmadụ na-ekwu na ọ na-eri nri ebute akpụ karịrị akarị na ọ na-ericha ya ọ weta nke o siri dị.
The only one something no of we on name or sign. Yamana, you can't have that. What did you wish you care? Papa ma go hog gunya. Mama ma go hog gunya. What did you wish you were time low?
So have you heard about other common name that is also used? Well, this one is to describe people or persons claiming to be holier than thou. The terms are only used among Igbos, these two terms. Now, there are many others, but we are talking about these two. The second one is Holy Nweje. And the fact is that Holy Nweje actually existed. It is not a name coined or borrowed from one folklore. No. It is the name of a real person, just like Kilauea Nwachukwu. And Holy Nweje was an actual person from Onitsha. Now I want to tell you about Holy Nweje. Holy Nweje is the story of an Igbo saint. His real name, Hezekiah Okoro Nweje, and he was an Anglican priest, a native of Onitsha in Anambra State. He was born in 1919 and he died in June 1962. Why was he nicknamed Holy Nweje? Because he was very humble. He appears extremely righteous, easygoing, and about the humanitarian life he lived. Yes, he was tenaciously devoted to the things of God. Whatever gifts he received from church, he shepherded, and he always shared with those in the vineyard, the poor and the less privileged. He doesn't hurt. In his philosophy, he believed that wealth was sharing what you have without hoarding it. At the time, he was nominated for the position of the Anglican bishop of the Niger. Yeah, he declined and nominated someone he felt was more qualified. Reverend Hezekiah Nweje was seen as an upright, spotless, and righteous man. It was all those outstanding qualities he possessed while alive that brought about the name Holy Nweje, depicting how holy one can be. It's used mainly for those claiming holier than thou. He believed one's anger should not see the next moment, just like Christ. Say, let the sun not go over your anger. So in May 1956, Onitsha and Obosi were tussling for a piece of land. Reverend Wei was called as a witness, and he told the judge that none of the towns owned the land. Na anebokwa anechukwu, that belongs to God. The land and thereof is of the Lord. That ended the land tussle. He was always on the side of peace, not taking sides. So around April 1956, during the daytime, local thieves invaded his house in Onitsha and stole tubers of yam and fowl. He ran after them and told them to come and take more, and cited hunger as the reason for their unconventional behavior. What a man. Do such men still exist today? So growing up in Igbo land, if seen or perceived as an upright person, you will be called or nicknamed Holy Nweje. When next you are called Holy Nweje, do not feel ashamed or mocked. It appears as if they are mocking you. Most of the time it's used to mock people who claim holier than thou. It tells good of you, actually. Well, Nweje Lane in Onitsha metropolis is a street named to immortalize him. Holy Nweje. So have you been called Holy Nweje before? Have you been called Kilauea Nwachukwu? What were you called? Are you engaged in a fight with someone and refusing to let go? Are you trying to show power? As in the case of Kilauea Nwachukwu. Are you trying to show dominance? Now, in the case of Holy Nweje, are you trying to be holier than everybody else? Oh, yours is, clean from heaven without spots. Some of the time you could be called Holy Nweje. and you feel sad. That is it. That's how these names come by. How it become an everyday thing. It become something that is commonly used to depict people doing certain things. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click on the bell icon to get our updates. Bye for now. I'm Azuka Uzo OJ. Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram.